Okay, with this video, I'm going to show you how I use the LiveGood's brand new free health assessment, okay, or evaluation, maybe call it even a survey. Basically, you just go to a website, fill some things out about yourself, okay? Takes about 4 minutes, and then you will get an email real quick from Dr. Ryan Goodkin, okay? He's in charge of creating and designing all of our products at LiveGood, okay? And it's nice if you're feeling tired, sluggish, maybe you have high blood pressure, diabetes, you want more energy, okay? Check this out. I'm going to go to my Facebook page and show you how I get people that fill out the assessment, the evaluation, okay? And a lot of times when people get the results, they'll go back to LiveGood and buy the products or become an affiliate, okay? Now, let me go ahead and shrink myself up here off to the bottom right. Okay, this is my Facebook page. Now, let me scroll down a little bit. And when I post on Facebook, I do stuff about my personal life, and then I squeak in LiveGood or a business opportunity. Because if all you do is just talk about money, 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 and business, 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 I think it bores everyone to death. The trick to social media is to be entertaining. Okay, so once again, you can see right here, if you just type in Pure Rock Radio Network, that's my username on Facebook. Okay, or look at my white Hummer here as my banner. Okay, you can see today is, it is Wednesday. And at Del Taco, they're having $3 little burritos. So I thought I'd take a picture of that. So as I'm trying to get in shape with LiveGood, with diet and nutrition, I like to promote burritos. Okay, it doesn't make sense, but people always laugh. Okay, now here's the ad that I just posted a little bit ago. I wish that was me right there, but it's not. I'm about 40 years older, and my muscles are just a little less than this guy here. Okay, so let me show you what I put. Okay, do you feel tired, down and out? You have 4 minutes, instant results. Okay, I keep it kind of mysterious. All right, and people look at this and, obviously the guy's in shape, but he looks maybe like he's down and out, like he ran out of Bic razors and he can't shave himself after a workout. Okay, that could be devastating to people that are in the bodybuilding arena. Okay, so free health survey. Guys, I bought this at GoDaddy for like $10. And what I had GoDaddy do is forward it to my official health survey page. And I'll show you how you get that if you're already in LiveGood, or if you're not, I'll show you how you can get it. Okay, so people just click this and see this page. All right, this is Dr. Ryan. Just watch his video. It's about a minute and 23 seconds. Goes real quick. And then any of these orange buttons, all right, questionnaire, assessment, evaluation, whatever you want to call it, just click it and it's going to ask you various questions. It takes 3-4 minutes. And then when you put in your email address at the end of the evaluation or questionnaire, then you'll get results, which is nice because it's free. And this guy is one badass. I'll tell you, Dr. Ryan, he's very good at health and nutrition. I'll tell you that. All right, and this is just the whole page. Real simple. Okay, now if you look up here, it'll say livegood.com assessment, blah, 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 and then see where it has my Cory J. Draper. That's my username at LiveGood, okay? So why don't I go ahead? Looks like I've only been chatting about 3-4 minutes. If you got another minute or so, let me just show you what I do, okay? Let me go ahead and open up my LiveGood page here for you guys. Okay, now, if you log in to LiveGood, all right, and this is for people that are already or they've joined and they're an affiliate, okay? Because my page is based on being an affiliate, all right? So when you go down to, see where it says My Websites? Just click there and see all these individual sites called the LiveGood site, all right? See where it says livegood.com/Cory J. Draper. Okay, then the landing page. This is how I've signed up almost 400 people just by going to this link. Okay, so if you go to joincory.com, I bought that for $10 at GoDaddy, and it forwards to this link right here. Okay, now this is about the products and the opportunity, but I get really good results where people get a free health evaluation. Okay, so if you scroll down here, you can see here's the retail site. So if you just want to go ahead and buy the products to resell at your gym or online or at Amazon, then use this link. And if you go right here, see where it says My Free Health Report, if you notice it says myfreehealthreport.com/ Cory Draper. Okay. And if you remember, when people click that link that I put on my Facebook page, it goes right here to good old Doc Ryan. Okay. Now, I think the trick to being successful is not to put www.livegood/ blah, blah, blah health assessment. No one's going to remember that. But if you go to GoDaddy, which I think they're the best, their average domain is like 10 to 11 bucks. They have live 24-hour humans that can help you. So what I do is I just call the 800 number to GoDaddy and I go, God, what's a good name? Free health survey. All right, it was available. So I bought it for 10 bucks and then for free, LiveGood will be, GoDaddy will forward to the LiveGood domain. Okay, it's much easier for people just to see the freehealthsurvey.com. Do you notice on Facebook you don't have to put HTTP or www? Okay, you can just put freehealthsurvey.com, and I always capitalize the F, the H, and the S. I just think that just jumps off the page. Plus, it looks nice and clean. And I like all my words on any of my ads not to be super long. Maybe on an email you can go into more detail, of course. But I'll tell you what, this is super effective for me. Okay? All right. Do you feel down and out? Yeah, 4 minutes, instant, results. That way people, they're like, yeah, I might be, maybe depressed. Maybe I am feeling low energy. 4 minutes I like to mention because this is not an evaluation and an assessment that takes hours to fill out. And then you got to wait a week for a live doctor to call you. Okay. This is like, hey, you got 4 minutes, instant results. All you do is click and go right to the survey. Okay. Guys, every week, every day, I have people filling this out. Okay. And it's a good way for people to buy LiveGood products, maybe become a member so they get wholesale pricing. And you know what? If they want to be an affiliate like me and hopefully you, all right, it's only 40 bucks, one and done. Okay, that's what I do, guys. I just keep it simple. And, I make business cards too. So on a street level, if somebody wants to talk about what I'm doing, I just went ahead and bought joincory.com for 10 bucks on GoDaddy. And guess what? It just forwards to wherever I want it to forward to. And that's my LiveGood capture page. So if you want more information about LiveGood, or if you want to join, joincory.com. All right. Keep things simple. That way you and your downline will duplicate. All right. You guys will feel nice and cool and sexy. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks. And if you need me, Cory at corydraper.com. And I appreciate if you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. All right, guys. Have a good day. Hope this helps.